So hello everyone, this is Chandravandana Tamil from Department of Visual Communication. Today I am going to take seminar on the topic Basics of Computer. The definition about computer is an electronic device which is capable of performing various tasks. The various tasks includes an arithmetic operations, it may be video rendering, multimedia projection, or else we can use it in programming institution like IT companies or MNCs, wherever it can be. So the basic computer usage is necessary in this day-to-day life. So in this slide we are going to represent about, or we are going to discuss about the types and its features availability. The first feature in the computer is supercomputer, mainframe computer, personal computer, mini computer, and then desktop computers. There are lots and lots of versions of computer. Let's cut it off one by one. The supercomputers. Supercomputer is capable of performing a basic task, or it may be it is used in a scientific manner. The mainframe computers. Mainframe computer is mainly used for government purposes, like it is used to collect a large database size of files. The mainframe computer, the examples of mainframe computer can be Aadhaar entry or else government military projects, it may be anything. The mini computers. Mini computers are tiny in model. Can be used in the colleges, schools, or any other basic workstations. The final thing is personal computers. The personal computer is the desktop PC which is we are using in our home. Let us discuss about the personal computer in an elaborated way. So the personal computer can be used only in the homes, or else it can be used only in the colleges. The capacity and the potentiality of the personal computer is very low. For example, in the basic personal computer, we have the RAM capacity of 2 GB and the processing could be 16 gigahertz, something like that. The personal computer mostly used the domestic Windows or else the Linux basis. The next slide. The types of computer. So in the basic types of computers, we all are aware of what are the things we are using in the computers, like keyboard, monitor, CPU, and then additional accessories like printers, and then additional things. The first thing, the three main types of computer, and the first thing we go through the desktop. There are lots and lots of type of desktop. In the regular basis or in the day-to-day life, we use the desktop for editing, or else it is an output embedded system. In the high level or corporate environment, the desktop is used for the video rendering. For example, if we see several companies like BPO, they will have two desktops on their side, because the two desktop will perform two similar activities in the same time. The next thing, so portable. So portable is the updated versions of computer, like Notepad, like PC Pro. It may be like a mobile phone, tablets, anything. It comes under the portability computer. Portable computer is capable of we can get it anywhere. Also, we can carry it anywhere from together. Handheld. The handheld computer is nothing but the mobile phones and the minor accessories which we are using. The next slide. The networks. Network is nothing but a collection of interrelated computers which is used to share several things. There are lots of types of networks like local area network, wide area network, metropolitan area network, WAN, personal local area network, such things. In the local area network, only a group of computers are connected together to perform several tasks. For example, of local area network is we can say it as the college laboratory computer we are using. Next, the metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network covers metro cities, or else it can cover several regions. For example, of metropolitan area network is data cabling, or else television broadcasting comes under the metropolitan area network. The next thing to the metropolitan area network is wide area network. Wide area network, the computers are connected between the continents. We can say it as a wide area network. For example, the Discovery Channel or else anything, the international satellite channels comes under the wide area network. The next slide. The parts of computer. We all are aware of the computer. We all are see what the computer can perform. The computer is basically connected with the two components, hardware and software. The hardware is nothing but the things which we are going to touch is called as hardware, like keyboard, monitor, CPUs, printers, scanners, anything it may be. The things which we are going to touch is called as an hardware, and the software is the thing which the computer is able to run in the program. The examples of software is Windows 7, gaming software, anything it may be which is used to run the program is called as a software. The software is nothing but a collection of interrelated program which is used to perform a specific task. It is also a series of codes to execute or to work perform a several tasks is called as a software. The next thing, hardware. As we already discussed, hardware is the elements which we are going to touch or else which we are going to sense in the computer is called as hardware. The examples of hardware are monitor, CPU, desktop, disk, DVDs, pen drive, anything it may be, blah blah blah. It comes under the hardware things. The next slide. The hardware. The uses of hardware is it's basically for the input types hardware. For example, if we are handling the keyboard, means we are going to type something in the keyboard, so which the computer or the software will understand and respond to the event. It's like a client server model, that as a client we are going to request something to the hardware, and the software will respond to our request. Is called the hardware and the software client server model. The input devices. The input devices in the hardware can be called as a keyboard, mouse, because these parts are, we are going to implement something in it. For example, I am going to type something, means I will type only on the keyboard. Also I am going to play any games, means I will stick around through the joysticks. So it's all comes under the input device. The output devices from the hardware we can say is printers, scanners, fax mailing, it may be anything. It comes under the output devices is called as hardware output devices. Storage devices. There are lots of storage devices in the day-to-day life. We are using the storage devices like pen drives, disks, memory cards. It may be there are a lot of storage devices availability. The storage devices, the basic purpose is to store files or data into it, and we are going to carry it throughout anywhere. The next slide. The input devices. So already we have elaborately discussed about input devices. I am skipping this slide. Output devices. So output devices, we also already discussed about this. I'll give a simple thing about the output devices. The output devices is giving a clarity what the client or the server request. The next, storage devices. As we discussed in a later part, the storage devices has several elements like hard disk, floppy disk, CDs, magnetic tape, and flash memory. The hard disk. Each and every computer system is coated with the hard disk, and then additional slots like RAM capacity slots, disk drives, and then lot of ports availability. The hard disk is hard disk and the floppy disk. It may be CD, magnet tapes. All are available only to the storing and performing data. Next, software. Software is nothing but it's a collection of interrelated, irrelevant program together to perform a specific task. The basic thing about software is we can't touch the software, but we can sense and we can able to request something which we are going to do. Then the additional thing of software is there are lots of softwares available in the computers, like gaming software, television softwares, applications, Microsoft Words, like several elements is available in the software. We can perform or create software with the use of HTML, C++, Java, anything it may be. We are going to perform the softwares through the several programming languages. The next thing. This is a basic HTML page. The basic HTML page consists of HTML to head closed tags. So this is a basic HTML program. The HTML program is introduced in 1992. After the development of HTML websites, the growth of computer industries have been in a tremendous way. The next slide. So this is a sample page of what we are developing the HTML. So it has some hyperlinks, refresh buttons, go button, and then it will have a lot of things which the client is requested. The next slide. So the application software. The software consists of two types: application software and the system software. Application software is nothing but we can say the GTA, MS Word, Vice City, anything the software which is called, it can be called as an application software. Operating system. Operating system is is also called as an heart of a computer. In the operating system is able to perform, or else it will monitor the other apps whether it is performing well or not. The examples of operating system is Windows, Vista, Linux, Amazon. It all comes under the operating system softwares. So operating system, as we discussed earlier, operating system is the main key for performing the entire application softwares. So in the operating system, it act as a monitoring the several other software to perform the task. So the next slide. So command line operation. So when we are starting our computer, we see a lot of commands like ESC and then press enter to open several list commands. These commands are used for used to perform or used to operate in the computers. Not only by buttons, not only by keyboards, by mouse, anything. The command line software plays a vital role in executing the programs. The next slide. This is an example of command line software. For example, if we want to go to the command line software, we need to press Win key plus or else we can press the run button. So button we need to type the C and D and we can perform any operations. The operating system GUI, you can also spell it as GUI, like the GUI, graphical user interface. Starting stage of a computer, the computer doesn't have any interactions between each other. For example, the system will be in a digital manner, the computer will be suffered to implement the program. But in the modern days, for example, if we take this and software, we will have a clear-cut idea about what's going or what's running in the program. It's called as a GUI. This is an example of GUI. We will have a clear-cut idea about what's representing here. For example, if we press here, we will have an idea about what's going to run in this program. This is called a GUI. Next slide. Application software. Application software is nothing but a slider software, or also basic purpose of software where we can use to perform several tasks. The application softwares may be MS Word, Excel, PowerPoint, or any other tools we are used to develop or run the programs. Next slide. There are 6 basic type of applications. Let's see one by one. Business software. The business software means spreadsheet, Excel, MS Word comes under the business software. Communication software means it's used to communicate with one person or one people to another is called as communication software. The communication software may be NetMeeting, NetWare, it's a chatting website, it comes under the communication software. Graphic software. Graphic software is nothing but it is used to represent a graphical representation like video rendering, Photoshop editing. It comes under the graphical software. The next thing. Education reference. Lots of websites like Wikipedia and several things comes under the education and reference softwares. Entertainment and leisure software. Entertainment and leisure softwares means Facebook, WhatsApp, anything, the social media, or else the websites like Tamil Rockers and then the Amazon. It comes under the entertainment softwares. Integrated softwares. Integrated software is nothing but, for example, when we are clicking a link in the Wikipedia, the link will direct you to the another YouTube page. It is called as an integrated software because it is linking under two different places. Thank you.